Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a designer blouse making. So definitely keep watching the video till end. Let's start. First I have taken the fabric and folded it. My blouse length is 15 inches and I have taken 1 inch extra. So total length will be 16 inches. Shoulder would be 5.5 inches, armhole would be 6 inches, chest is 9.5 inches. I take 2 inches extra for margin. I take 1 inch extra for front armhole and draw a slanting line. Create a shape. Shoulder strap I have taken 2 inches. My front neck depth is 8 inches. I mark here. Draw a slanting line. I am marking here for dot point. Draw a straight line from here. Then half inch extend from here and 1 inch extend from here. I have to take from here 8 inches and 2 inches extra for margin and seaming. I am drawing a semicircle from armhole to dot point. Now I am marking back part, applying same measurement. My back neck depth is 10 inches. To make the sleeves, first I am separating the border part and fold the fabric. Armhole I am taking 10 inches and I have to take 3 inches from here. Draw a slanting line like this. My sleeves length is 9 inches. Now I am stitching all the part together. I am gonna add piping over the neckline. Please like and share my video. Make sure you subscribe us and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. I have attached lot gun. Have a final look. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.